If your song is a house, then bass is the foundation and everything that you're building the walls out of. And most of you have been building your houses out of straw and sticks. But today, we're gonna build your house out of straight up bricks. Here's the song we're working with, and let's record some bass over it. Grab an audio effect rack and make 2 channels with EQ8 on both of them. Name one low and one high. For low, add a low pass filter at 120 Hz. And for high, a high pass filter at 120 Hz. Now we've separated our lows and our highs, and we can process them separately. Go to your low frequencies and add a utility and select mono. This is gonna keep all your low frequencies right up the center of your mix. And if you use an LFO, keep your tomatoes in your pockets, people. Fight me in the comments because I think LFOs are low-key kind of dumb. I'm sorry.
That's my opinion!
Compress your lows with these settings. And use a glue compressor if you only have stock plugins. Slow attack and slow release. Ratio of 10. And try and hit around 10 dB of compression. Then give it 10 dB of makeup gain to compensate. Then outside of the audio effect rack, so that it affects both the lows and the highs, put a compressor like an LA2A. I personally start with the presets. Most of them sound pretty good. Now go to your highs and add a little bit of gain around 800 Hz, which is gonna make your bass stand out on phone speakers. Then, if you want, you can add some distortion for harmonics, or you can even add a time-aligned delay to add some stereo width to the high end of your bass. By only doing that in the high end, all of the low frequencies will stay up the middle and keep our bass right in the center, and the high frequencies will be those little flavors on the side. And yes, this works on MIDI bass instruments as well. Now let's listen to the before and the after. Now your bass sounds great, but I hope your drums do too. Here's a video on how to mix drums, and until next time, peace.